guys, I'm RobeGuyZ,
And I'm RobeGuyZ.
and we've been discussing lately our new green screen situation.
Exactly. So I have the opportunity to move into a larger space with my streaming setup, and I figured, hey, instead of buying a bunch of new fabric and learning how to sew, why not paint this wall behind me?
Yeah, so we figured we'd give that a shot, let you see what that looks like, and see how it turns out.
Hope you enjoy.
What do you want to do first?
Gotta go to the store, get some paint and primer.
Polygreen paint?
Polygreen paint.
I know about my back there, but
Back there. Prime time.
however you want it. Eat it. Eat all of it. As much as you can. Don't get sick. Don't throw it up. That's a waste of good ass. Alright guys, well we finished the project. We got our green screen painted, taped up, just waiting for it to finish drying down here at the bottom. Let's take all our tape off. And yeah, bada bing bada boom. Zach, how do you feel?
Feel pretty good. It was a lot of fun. It was a long weekend. Hit a couple snags along the way, but you know, when you work on a project like this, you're always gonna have to run into some things like that. So, you know, have a lot of fun with some friends. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, I had a great time hanging out with my buddy, making this video, and look forward to more videos about projects for our little studio to come. Thanks.
See ya.